Hello out there, all you aspiring math geniuses. This is another video from OnlineMathAcademy.com. It's an SAT problem to help people prepare for the exam that will be given this Saturday the 5th. This SAT problem says, for a particular number n, the first term in the sequence above is equal to n, and each term thereafter is 7 greater than the previous term. What is the value of the 16th term in this sequence? Well, first, let's take a look at the sequence. The sequence is written above the problem, and it's n, 2n minus 1, 3n minus 2, 4n minus 3, and then it has ... which indicates that the sequence continues, and it continues in that same pattern. Now, if we rewrite the sequence like this, we can see the pattern easily. By examining the first term, we can see that it's 1 times n minus 0. So we can actually generalize what the ith term in the sequence will be. So I could be anything. It could be 1, it could be 2, it could be 3, it could be 4, 5, whatever. The ith term is essentially going to be I times n minus I minus 1. And for example, let's look at the second term in the sequence. This is the second term, and it's 2 times n because second term, and then we have the 1 over here, so 1 is 1 less than 2. And so this is the generalization for the ith term in a sequence. So we can easily just take that and find the expression for the 16th term in the sequence. The 16th term in the sequence will be 16n minus 16 minus 1, which is 15. Okay? And you can see that that goes along with this pattern here. Now, what we have now is essentially just an expression for the 16th term. This problem asks us the value of the 16th term in the sequence. Well, we don't know it because we don't know what n is. But if we look at the first two sentences in the problem, we're given enough information to determine what n is. So let's look again. It says for a particular number n, the first term in the sequence is equal to n, and each term thereafter is 7 greater than the previous term. So this term, 2n minus 1, must be 7 greater than the previous term, which is n. So mathematically, we can write that as 2n minus 1 is equal to the first term, which is n, plus 7. And once we have this, it's just a simple linear equation that we can solve for n. So we're going to subtract n from both sides, leaving us with 2 n's, take away 1 n is just a single n, minus 1 equals n minus n. These two guys disappear over here, and you're just left with 7. So now that we know what n is, we can certainly determine what the 16th term in the sequence is, because we know it's the expression 16n minus 15. So if n is 8, it's 16 times 8 minus 15. Now you have your calculators during the exam, so use them. 16 times 8 is 128. Minus 15 is 113. The 16th term in the sequence has a value of 113. I hope you enjoyed this video, and keep practicing for that SAT. If you need some one-on-one SAT help or help in any other math classes, I encourage you to check me out at OnlineMathAcademy.com. Have a great day, everybody.